Forget about the iPhone 17 and iPhone Air. This is Apple's worst product line yet. The truth is, even the iPhone 16 is more worth buying. Instead, the Tesla Pi phone is what you should really consider because it might completely change the way you think about what a smartphone can do. From design to connectivity to battery life, every experience goes far beyond the iPhone 17. While the Tesla Pi 256GB version is expected to start at just $789. But that's not all. Elon Musk has already revealed huge perks for early buyers of the Tesla Pi phone next year. How about free lifetime internet? Yeah, that's a massive deal for anyone getting the Tesla Pi phone. So, now let's dive deeper into this phone. What features have been revealed, and how exactly does it outperform the iPhone 17? Let's get started. So, what makes the Tesla Pi phone a real competitor to Apple? Although it hasn't launched yet, the Tesla Pi phone is scheduled to debut in the US early next year with expansion to other markets starting in February. Originally, Tesla had planned a release for 2027 since the company needed to prioritize car production. However, Apple's recent setbacks and what Elon Musk has called unfair policies pushed Tesla to move up the launch timeline. The Tesla Pi phone will be built at the Giga Texas facility, with the company leveraging maximum component optimization to keep costs low, pricing the base Pi phone model at just $789. According to the most shocking leaks, what makes the Tesla Pi phone truly stand out isn't just its price, but its foldable design paired with built-in Starlink connectivity, giving users free lifetime internet access. Starting with design, we all know Elon Musk has a longer-term vision than almost anyone else. It's no coincidence people call him the man from the future. So instead of sticking with a traditional smartphone design, Musk chose a foldable form factor, something Apple has yet to do. The Tesla Pi phone is built around a philosophy of being ultra-thin and lightweight, yet durable. Folded, the device measures 0.35 in thick. Unfolded, it's just 0.17 in, weighing only 7.58 ounces. The highlight is its flex hinge, a water drop style hinge with a multi-rail structure that virtually eliminates creases while significantly improving screen durability. The frame is crafted from ultra-strong aluminum alloy reinforced with titanium, while the back is covered with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. On the outside, it features Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 paired with a UTG layer that's 50% thicker to boost scratch resistance and impact durability. As for the display, the Pi phone comes with an 8.0 in dynamic AML2X panel offering a 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 2,600 nits, delivering a vibrant and silky smooth viewing experience. Yeah, that's just one of a few leaked specs about the Tesla Pi phone. There's still plenty of exciting details we'll have to wait for until the official launch. That said, there's no denying that the main appeal of foldable smartphones comes from their design. It's no coincidence that Samsung and Google are investing heavily in this space. Foldables always pamper style-conscious users with trendy designs and carefully chosen colors, delivering a fashionable look that lets you show off a youthful, distinctive personality compared to traditional smartphones. At the same time, they're durable enough that you won't need to replace your phone every 3 years like with an iPhone. You see, Apple has a habit of prioritizing updates, apps, and new features for its latest models while phasing them out on older ones. It's a strategy that pushes users into buying new phones just to maintain an optimized experience. Frankly, we don't like that. During Tesla's Q2 earnings call, Elon Musk sent shockwaves through the tech world when he officially confirmed that the Tesla Pi phone will go on sale at all Tesla stores starting March next year. The first big surprise, the standard 256GB model will start at just $789, while even the top-tier version caps out at $199. a figure that will no doubt make rivals like Apple and Samsung nervous. But the price isn't the real game share. What truly sets the Pi phone apart is a strategy only Musk would dare to pull off. Every customer who buys directly from a Tesla store will receive a free Starlink subscription. This isn't just a promotion. It's a bold fusion of a handheld device with a global satellite internet system. In practical terms, it means that with nothing more than a PY phone, users can access high-speed internet anywhere from bustling cities to the most remote corners of the world. At a time when billions of people still struggle to get reliable online access, this move doesn't just benefit customers. It opens up a massive new market for both Tesla and Starlink. Normally, to use Starlink's satellite internet, customers have to pay around $120 per month for the standard plan on top of the upfront cost of the hardware. If Elon Musk holds true to his promise of free Starlink subscription with every Pi phone purchased at a Tesla store, that means users could save anywhere from $1,400 to $1,500 a year just on internet costs alone. That's an incredibly impressive figure compared to the ongoing expenses of maintaining any other flagship smartphone, and it's an advantage no brand in the world has ever dared to offer its customers. Regarding its construction, an interesting highlight we think you'll appreciate is that the Tesla Pi phone will feature a premium titanium body, a choice that's far from arbitrary. Elon Musk stated that Tesla experimented with many materials, but ultimately titanium truly met their vision for a phone that's as durable as a Tesla vehicle, yet as refined as a piece of tech jewelry. As we all know, titanium is renowned in the aerospace industry for its superior strength, excellent corrosion resistance, and lighter weight compared to stainless steel. Apple previously demonstrated this by incorporating titanium into the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The result was a product that not only looked more luxurious, but also significantly reduced in weight, providing a much more comfortable user experience. More importantly, titanium helped the iPhone better withstand impacts, making it less prone to bending or scratching. However, Apple dug its own grave by reverting to an aluminum body for its latest iPhone lineup. Across social media platforms, many users shared images of scratched and chipped iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max backs, especially with the darker color options. Aluminum is inherently softer, and the glass back is also susceptible to scratches. However, even the iPhone Air, which uses a titanium frame and ceramic shield back, still showed scratches. Therefore, it's fair to say that the iPhone 17 series is the worst product line Apple has ever made.